Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 11 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Note that it's easier to just remove the battery for this repair as there's nothing holding it in place. Flip the unit over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the LCD module and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the LCD module free. Lay the LCD module down, peel back the tape, and unplug the digitizer. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD module. Peel back the tape, and unplug the cable from the sensor board. Remove one 2mm screw from the microphone. Gently use the spudger to pry the camera free from the adhesive underneath. Take care not to use too much force as the camera can easily bend or break. Unwind the cable from its grooves and remove the LCD module. Replace the module and replace the camera and the microphone. Insert the cable back into its grooves. Plug the cable back into the sensor board. Plug the LCD cable back into the LCD module. And plug the cable back into the digitizer. Replace the 2mm screw into the microphone. Replace the module and push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard, and lay the battery back into place. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.